How do you add favorites at the Notion widget on iPhone? Let's get started. Let me show you how it works. If you're new on this channel, consider subscribing for tutorials and more videos like this one. So as you know, you can hold it down on your home screen, go to the edit mode and add new widgets. So obviously Notion as well as Notion Calendar have their widgets, so you can click in like that. And you have like three types of the widgets. You have the page, where you specifically decide manually which page is going to be quickly accessible. Then you have two sizes for favorites and two sizes for recents. So recents don't really have the ability to be controlled. It's based on, how many you use. But if you add any favorites in here, you can see that the widget can be set up. So you can tap on it like this, choose a workspace if you have multiple of them available. But the whole point is that it is going to reflect the favorites within the Notion app. So to manage favorites, go to the Notion app like this. Then you can see that you might be browsing some of your pages, and in order to add it to the favorites, click on the three dots and you literally have the option to make it your favorite, right? So that is how it works. Add it to the favorites, and that's how you can add it to the widget. So that particular note or like page within a Notion will be added to your favorites, right? You can also browse them in here on your main page as you go through them, right? But that's how you can basically see it. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to do what you needed. As I said, that's how you can add it to the widget. So hit the thumbs up and subscribe for tutorials and more videos and explanations like this one. I hopefully get to see you later in the next videos too. So stay tuned and I'll talk to you then.